Chiru, listen to me, dear. Huh? Chiru! Chiru!
I'm coming, Grandma.
This boy.
What happened, Grandma?
In what thoughts were you lost?
Grandma, everyone gets lost while reading Amma stories. And I'm no exception.
Sometimes you want to read Amma's story, sometimes want to hear them from her. At least listen to me once in a while.
I already listened to you, Grandma. You asked for water. Here is the water.
Not water, Chiru. Medicine. Ratna has a headache. You sit here. I'll go get medicine for her.
No, Amma. You sit here. I'll quickly go on my bicycle and get the medicine.
All right.
Come quickly and don't forget, take this money.
Chiru doesn't forget anything, Grandma. I will go quickly and come back quickly. In the meantime, you take rest.
I don't understand where this boy is lost all the time.
What an aroma! Jalebi! If I go from here without eating jalebi now, the jalebi will feel bad. Uncle, please give me some hot jalebis.
Look, Chiru is eating jalebi alone. Chiru, what are you doing here?
I have come to the sweet shop to buy vegetables. Can't you see? I'm eating sweets.
Chiru brother, treat us too, no?
Yes, why not? Come here. Eat as much as you want.
Someone asked me too. I'm salivating seeing the jalebi. Thank you.
Uncle, here is the money.
Wow, Chiru, these jalebis are as sweet as Amma's stories.
No, Amma, how did I forget? Medicine? But the money has already been spent. I'll get scolded again.
Huh? What happened?
Chiru, carelessness is not a good thing. I was right here. That's why I went to get medicine for Ratna.
Sorry, Amma. Sorry, Grandma. I won't do such a thing again in the future.
What happened, Chiru? Why did you rush so quickly?
What's happened? I had given him a task and he forgot it too.
Don't worry, Ratna. Chiru has realized his mistake now.
Chiru brother, come and play with us.
No. I want to watch TV.
Who hits the ball so fast?
Noni! Chiru! Where did everyone go? Chiru, clothes are drying on the roof. Go and bring them in. It's going to rain.
Don't you worry, Amma. When I'm here.
Don't forget.
Yes, Amma. I'm going right away.
Huh? Oh no. All the clothes are wet. This Chiru, I tell you. Chiru? I asked you to bring the clothes from the rooftop.
When? Sorry, Amma. I forgot.
Amma, his name should be Mr. Forgetful, not Chiru.
Wow. It's a beautiful sunny day. Hey Chiru, where are Noni and Babu?
They have gone to see Grandma.
All right. Okay, listen. Mangoes are drying outside for pickles. Take care of them. In the meantime, I'll also go and meet Ratna.
What happened, Gopi? Give me 1 minute. The game is about to finish now. This Gopi can't stay quiet for a minute. Oh no!
That's why I was calling. But you were busy playing video games.
Go! Go from here!
Now, answer Amma for this yourself. Careless Chiru.
Chiru, what is this carelessness?
I don't understand when this boy will mend his ways.
Sorry, Amma.
Apologizing doesn't mean you keep making mistakes repeatedly and keep saying sorry.
And your apologies won't bring the mangoes back. I suggest that instead of saying sorry repeatedly, you get yourself a sorry card and keep distributing it to everyone. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yay! I won!
Huh? What happened? Why are you shouting? Whom did you trouble now?
Amma, I have to go for a picnic from school tomorrow. It has been decided that everyone will bring homemade food from their homes.
Wow.
Just saying wow won't be enough, Amma. You will have to make sambar for me. Because I have promised to bring the best sambar in the world.
Is it? All right.
Wow! If the aroma is so good, imagine how delicious it will taste.
Chiru, the sambar will be ready in a while. I've added everything. In a few minutes, you add 5 teaspoons of salt to it. Huh? Until then, I'll go to the temple.
Okay, Amma. I will play until then. Huh? Where did Gopi go? Gopi! Wait! Stop!
Chiru! Chiru! Where is Chiru? I'm sure he will forget to add salt to the sambar. I'll add it myself. 1, 2.
Wow! There is no match for the sambar made by Amma. Forgetful Chiru will definitely forget to add salt to it. But I don't want to eat sambar without salt. I'll add it myself. 1, 2.
Catch me, Babu. Catch me if you can.
I'm tired.
What happened, Babu? Are you tired?
Gopi makes me run so much, I will get tired obviously. I'll go drink some water. Wow, the aroma of the sambar is so good. In the excitement of playing, Chiru Bhaiya will definitely forget to add salt. Just like everything else. I'll add it myself. 1, 2.
Take it! Crispy, crunchy, salted snacks!
Salted snacks? Something is coming to mind with salted. But what? Salted.
Salted biscuits. Salted tomato.
No. Don't confuse me.
Salted chips.
What am I forgetting? Salted. Yes, I remembered.
But what did you remember? Tell us too.
I won't tell, I will show you by doing it. 4 and 5. After eating Amma's sambar, everyone will forget their own food at the picnic.
Chiru, I hope you've added salt to the sambar.
Yes, Amma, 5 teaspoons. You'll see. After eating this at the picnic tomorrow, everyone will be licking their fingers.
And the next day... What happened, Chiru? Why are you crying?
Because of the sambar. Because of your sambar, everyone made a lot of fun of me at the picnic.
What do you mean?
I mean, there was so much salt in the sambar that everyone said it doesn't taste like sambar but sea water.
It really tastes like seawater. So much salt.
But how is that possible? How much salt did you add?
5 teaspoons.
Huh?
Huh? 5 means 20 teaspoons.
Oh no. With so much salt in the sambar, obviously it'll taste like seawater.
But why did you all add the salt? I was supposed to do it.
Because of your carelessness, Chiru. No one trusted that you would remember to add salt.
I understood, Amma. Now I will never be careless. Because of my carelessness, the sambar got ruined and the whole day as well.
Oh, no problem. After all, you realized your mistake. I'll make the sambar again.
But the sambar won't be enough, Amma. Poor Chiru's entire day has been ruined. So we must make his day better.
Yes, definitely.
Yay! Amma says she'll make the day better, which means story time with Sudhama. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.